Hey everyone, so I'm doing the orange palette, Desert Heat. I want to start with Light 'em Up. I did some comparisons, and Techno was, I thought it was more orange, but it actually matched Copper Cat really well. So I'm just hoping that this Halloween they bring back roller coasters. I'm using Light 'em Up as a base color, so, and because I just put like a liquid primer on my eyes, it's not really coming out too shimmery. So we're going to use that copper color on the lid. There's definitely a lot of fallout in these palettes. And because I have deep set eyes, I always make a mess. And then I'm using that matte orange color as a transition color. So like last week, I'm going to put orange on the inner corner and then that coppery color on the outer corner. First, let me do my contour color. I'm using the same palette as last week, that brown black color. And I'm just blending it out. Alright, let's put the orange in the inner corner. Dang it, I didn't need to get it there. Okay. If you look at that, like all the sparkle is right on top. Like underneath, it barely has anything. That's what I'm saying, these gel shadows are crap. NYX and Wet n Wild, they're all crap. So I'm gonna use Flash Me. It's like their rose gold highlighter, and I don't want to use. Well, maybe I should. There's a shimmer overlay on this, and I'm wondering. Yeah, I'm gonna use the shimmer as opposed to the. When I swatched it, I was gonna use the little piece that didn't have the shimmer, but I'm gonna use the shimmer. So I'm going to just put black liner mascara, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so I wanted to do the lipstick. I did do the Flash Me, but it is kind of dark for me. It's a rose gold, but it is a little dark for me, so I just put the regular gold on my nose. So I wanted to do the lips in front of you. Can't read these, but I'll put the information. So this is the liquid lipstick. It's their the rose gold liquid lipstick. Look at that. I saw it in the store and I fell in love with the color. I wasn't gonna get it. I think I went back. When I went back, I grabbed it. Thank the Lord it was still there. But regardless, my store finally put it out at the end of May and put it in the bin within 2 weeks, because I went back 2 weeks and it wasn't there. Or it was like a week and a half later and it wasn't there. I'm also putting on this like a rose gold gloss over the liquid lipstick. And that's it. So next week I'll do one of the other colors. I almost broke my foot. I thought I was gonna have to go to the hospital to have my pinky toe set, but I was feeling much better the next day. But I had not been sleeping well for about a week. I can actually walk on it now, put pressure on it now. It's like a hair on my face I can't get out. So yeah, I haven't done my hair. I before the summer's end, I'm definitely gonna do my roots, and then I'm gonna do the rainbow. And I finally decided that I am gonna do purple on one side and blue on the other, just because that blue looks better on me than the red, and the orange and yellow will be in the back. So I'm gonna do purple, red, orange, yellow, green, blue. That's how I'm gonna do my hair. And they're not pastels or neons. They are, you know, the more true to color, the deep sapphire and green, and I think it's emerald and sapphire, I think. But yeah, so gonna do that soon for summer's end. But I took a toll on my body because it was, you know, my foot had to heal. I mean, it turned black and everything. If I couldn't walk on it, if it got worse, I would have went to the emergency room. But by the next day, I was able to do it. Anyway.